Hi, my name is Chris Rupp. I'm a professional musician. I kind of rose to fame several years ago on an NBC TV show called The Sing Off. You know, the hair loss, like I said, it started when I was 18. I'm 36 now, and it was annoying at first, just noticing getting a little thinner up there. And then by the time I was mid-20s, 24, 25, it got to the point where I couldn't have my hair in a sort of normal fashion because it just looked too thinning, especially being only 25 years old. So I decided to look into this procedure, not necessarily for a purely vanity aspect, but from a professional standpoint. Looking at this procedure just made sense because it allows me so many more options to look slightly younger in what I'm doing, in this kind of pop music world. And to, the band I'm in currently is everyone's in their late 20s, so I'm kind of the oldest one at 36. So by allowing me to look a little bit younger compared to everybody else, it balances out the band a little bit better. But as I was becoming more and more of a successful musician and performer, it was becoming more and more limiting as well. I shoot a lot of different music videos all the time. It's part of kind of my YouTube thing. And certain situations just don't work for wearing a hat. If, like, for example, in a church, or maybe you're doing something patriotic. And so then I need to have the shaved head, which can be a hassle to make sure it's always fully shaved. And then I don't even like the look of that sometimes. It doesn't work as well, and especially if I'm with a group of people and everybody else has got the full heads of hair and I'm the one that's looking a little more unusual with that. So I came in today about 6:30 in the morning, so I'm a little tired, which maybe makes it easier because I'm too tired to really think about what's going on. But I'm not too nervous about it. The way it's been described to me, I think it's going to be a relatively pain-free procedure. I'm just more worried about what I'm going to do to entertain myself for the next few hours as we go through this. But I'm excited, ready to do this. Let's see what happens. So especially now, like I said, it's been 11 months since I did this procedure, and especially in the last 3 or 4, I've gotten to the point now where I feel I can do a lot of the performance and video things I was already doing without wearing a hat. For the first 6 months of surgery, I was still wearing hats for everything I did, but now I have options. Especially, I do a lot of religious work too, and wearing hats in the church tends to not go over well, and now I feel totally fine just going like this and letting it ride. So with the second round, I'm gonna feel really comfortable with the whole process. So that's been really great, having those options, to perform the national anthem or to be in a church setting or whatever. I want to be outdoors and I just want the hair fly. It really opens up a lot of different opportunities for me, which is what I was going for, and I'm super glad that it worked out that way.